Hello to you my gorgeous nail lovers. You are welcome back to my channel Nail Vibes, the channel that gives you nothing but the very best in nails fashion. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, depending from where and when you are seeing this video. Ladies, in case you are seeing the channel for the very first time or you are here to join this channel, please do hit the subscribe button, and as you do that, do not forget to turn on a bell notification so that whenever a new video is uploaded in this channel, you will definitely be the first to be notified. So watching this video for today, you see that I have the best compilations of trendy and new acrylic nail art designs for you my gorgeous friends. So watch the video from beginning to end in order for you to choose the best light or even slides to combine on your nails. And as you watch this video, please do support this channel by liking this video, okay? Like the video and feel free to share it to your friends and loved ones, and you can also save it for a later use. And I also say a big thank you to my returning viewers who are always watching and engaging in my videos. Trust me guys, your effort in this channel is never taken for granted. Thank you guys so much. So ladies, at the end of the video, you can go down to the comment section and tell me what you think or what you feel about my videos or my channel in general. And if there's any kind of video you would like to see me make in this channel, put it down in the comment section and I promise to make it for you. And in case this is not really what you want, you can also go down to my channel to see other videos that I have on other nail designs, okay? So you can also watch from there and make your choices, okay? Thank you guys so much, as I'll be looking forward to seeing you again in my next video. Bye for now.